So John's Punisher has a little bit of pimples on his forehead.
Going through puberty.
Going through puberty.
Going through puberty.
Mine.
Nice sunglasses.
Mine. Cyclops.
American flag, Punisher decal done. Punisher decal, American flag. If you want to join the gang, shoot me a message on Instagram and you can order yours today. Alright, so I only got 5. Well, now I have like 3 left. So order now. Right now. But now, as of right now, what we are gonna do is focus. We're gonna put the reverse lights on this bad boy.
Bad boy.
And then hopefully we can put some reverse LEDs too.
Yes. Oh. Governor.
Governor.
Hello there, Governor.
Alrighty, let's get this going. Right, it's just the sparks. In my defense, I did do it when it was 30 degrees outside, so I couldn't feel a damn thing. Yeah, I did it when it was 30 degrees outside, so. Good job, mate. Boys, got one side done.
So it doesn't matter, just go left or right?
No.
Okay.
We're just gonna grind it down. Grind down the middle, because middle is usually fatter and it goes down. Is it? All right, Peter, unlock the truck. Let's find out.
Bam.
Bam! Let's take a look. There we go. Reverse lights. All right, y'all. So what we did was, I mean, it's really similar to my truck. You drill a hole, put the pot through it, and then you just get a wire and wire this light and that light together, and then you make it into one wire. So this is where the 2 wires meet, and then you combine it into one wire, and then the black is obviously gonna go to ground, and then the positive is gonna go to this plug right here next to the blue one, and we're gonna tap into the light green because that's positive, and that will give the reverse lights power whenever you put it in reverse and unlock the truck. That's it. What'd you say?
Suck a nigga dick or something.
I don't
knows I can go on YouTube.
How do you feel about that, Richard?
I feel offended
Oh,
right
sorry.
now. I'm not sure what you guys are listening to.
Hey, can I get light here?
Yeah, you got light. I got you.
No, I need light underneath.